Well, hello there, welcome to this week's vlog. Today we are at SeaWorld here in Orlando. Short vlog today, as we're only in here for a couple of hours as we're coming back before the end of the holiday anyway. So might not get to ride everything, but we are going to take you with us, and we might get some food, maybe not in here, maybe somewhere else, but we'll definitely show you what we get up to anyway. We just went on the Sky Tower. That's the first time we've ever been on that. It costs us $5 per person, and it's really worth it because you get up there and it's such a view, and you can kind of just see Spaceship Earth in the distance and Hollywood Tower as well. So there's a hell of a view from up there. But we're so thankful. After last night, we broke down on Splash Mountain. So glad we didn't have to get evacuated from that, because, well, how do they evacuate you from that? If you know, put it in the comments down below, because I really have no idea. But we'll definitely show you what we get up to anyway.
Look at them! Oh my gosh!
Long before dinosaurs, long before birds, long before humans, there were sharks.
There are more than 450 different types of sharks, all so different.
A sand tiger shark swims with its mouth open, exposing multiple rows of sharp teeth. Looks scary, but don't worry. It just has so many teeth that it can't close its mouth.
Small-toothed sawfish can reach an impressive size of up to 20 feet.
To get its next meal, the small-toothed sawfish swims.
off of Mako, I honestly have to say that I think Mako, as well as Cheetah Hunt and Busch Gardens, they're my favourite roller coasters, like in Orlando, in Florida. Mako is amazing. I managed to get front row, which we have put the GoPro footage in. I just hope it came out right, but I absolutely love that ride.
Slides that drive into a cavern of icy dancing light. Almost grown up, and he ventures out into a blizzard to hunt in the sea. Has arrived at the edge of the ice, and for the first time he's ready to dive into the sea. He's eager to hunt for food on his own, but danger lurks in the water below.
Go completely backwards.
Maybe it's their time to get wet.
I can't even see it. We're getting stuck. Yeah! Thank you! So we kind of weren't thinking we were going to get that wet because of other vlogs that we've seen, but we are dripping and the feet are squelching as we're walking. Dan is absolutely soaked, but it was good fun. We're just looking at our photo now and we look happy. So I just refilled my drink. This is the same cup we used for Busch Gardens, $1.06 for a refill. I got a Fanta Frozen Ice, which tastes beautiful. So if you have got a SeaWorld cup, take it with you every time you come. Cheaper refill, save a bit of money. So we have just come off of Infinity Falls and we are absolutely drenched. So we are kind of just taking this time to sit here in the breeze and try to dry off a little bit before we drive out of here. That pretty much sums up our day at SeaWorld. We have had a good day. We've only been here for about 2.5, 3 hours. It hasn't been the longest of days, but we have got quite a lot of stuff done. So if you did enjoy this vlog, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button just down below. And on that note, we'll see you later.